Welcome back to Autoscope. The pinnacle of transportable luxury is the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. Outside, a stunning and invigorating shadow, the boxy appearance of the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome will be replaced by a sleeker, more aerodynamic design. The recognizable vertical LED headlamps will be a recognizable feature, just like the latest Escalade. A large, eye-catching front grille with dark chrome or satin accents. Large wheels with intricate multi-spoke design and a polished finish. The body designed flawlessly, incorporates interior lights and plenty of external storage space with soft closed doors. Inside, real wood trim, carbon fiber or aluminum decorations. And contrast stitching on the dashboard and door panels are examples of high-end parts. Ergonomic Pilot seats, front passenger and driver seats with 18-way power adjustment, massaging, heating, and cooling, couches and chairs with hand-stitched accents, customized throw cushions, and upholstery composed of premium Alcantara fabric or Aniline leather, kitchen, integrated espresso coffee maker, convection oven, microwave combo, full-size refrigerator or freezer with ice maker, and cutting-edge induction cooktop. All from luxury brands, a high-end sink with a stainless steel or composite touch-sensitive faucet. Smart storage options include soft closed drawers, hidden refrigerator drawers, and an efficient slide-out pantry. Beds with memory foam mattresses, power-adjustable bases, and opulent linen systems. Hidden flat-screen TVs that can stream and play games. Robust V8 gasoline engine. This engine, which is most likely the twin-turbo V8 found in the Escalade, has the power to tackle a variety of terrain. Hybrid energy of option, in keeping with current automotive trends. A plug-in hybrid, or even an all-electric version with an impressive range is likely in the works using GM's Ultium platform. Strong Wi-Fi hotspots placed on the vehicle provide 5 ultra-wideband coverage, which ensures constant communication. Premium sound system from renowned brands spread throughout the cabin.